Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap Frederick local and long-distance movers near me. Whether you're moving to a neighboring state near Maryland or further away in the U.S., there's a lot to plan for. If you have a family, things can get more exhausting, even for local moves. That's where 3 Movers comes in. Our goal is to simplify the moving process by providing you with excellent long-distance moving services in Frederick. You can turn the moving experience even more relaxing by using our full-service moving, including packing services as well. We've got the tools, experienced movers, and reliable trucks you need for a smooth long-distance move. Ready to move to a new home in Frederick? Our local movers are on your side. Avoid the hassle, discomfort, and inconvenience of a DIY move by hiring 3 Movers for local moving in Frederick. No matter if it is a very hot day or if heavy lifting is required, our team of efficient movers is always ready to help you with your local move until you're completely satisfied. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Frederick moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.